Hi, Camille and the Studio Birds here with another Beyond the Cover. This book that we're going to look at today is one that I just finished and just wanted to show it to you. It's a altered accordion book, and you actually can open it and read it from either side. So each side is a cover, and this side says letting go, and this side says holding on. So let's see inside. This little book is a miniature book, which means it's under 3 inches in size. And this side is the holding on side, so we have some childhood drawings and some photographs that are interspersed with some of my relief prints. You can look through these little windows here and then open those up on the side. And I went and kind of looked at some childhood things that I read with my daughter, and then I drew the birds over the top and then kind of collaged those in. Here's the last page. And then the second half of the book you view from the other side, which is called Letting Go. And on that side, when you open it up, you have Flying Bird. And then the relief for that, images of the seeds, are from a print that I did called Strength and Vulnerability. And so I just took these seed portions and brought them into the book. And so there's the two covers, and here's the back, and you can see that it is a little altered accordion. You can see this book as well as patterns and tutorials for making artist books on my Etsy shop, and I'll put that below. I want to thank everyone for watching, and thank Brindle and Cleo for providing the background music. Bye!